Hi Arjan, how are
Hey,
you?
hey Bhavnesh, I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you. So you had an expiry at 5th March
Yeah,
2023, isn't it? And you came to me because you want to give your VORT exam and you need to prepare for it.
yep, of
But then
course.
how did the journey go from then onwards?
Like it was a very good journey. I
Yeah,
think like I joined with you on March, uh, I think no, February 30, 29, maybe. And I did the learning test with you for 2 days,
yeah.
with a 3 hour session total. Then I gave my test on 3rd of March and I did it well and I got my full license.
And it was on the borderline of losing your expiry, isn't it? And
Yeah, of
you
course, like
were,
my like temporary license was about to expire on 5th of March. But luckily like I came to you and I got my license on March 2nd.
and you were in a very tense situation, isn't it?
Of course,
Because you
man.
didn't know
Yeah,
what
of
you
course.
might do. And now how you are feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling like really great because like it's been a 3+ years driving in Australia. I never thought of getting a full license, but after coming to Adelaide and like when I was about to get the license and about to expire my temporary license as well, so like I thought like I was lucky enough to meet you and to get the enough help from you, and finally I got my license.
And I am very thankful that you posted me in your Nepali community group and also you referred me many of your friends. I am very much thankful for that and I hope your future goes well.
No worries. Thank you so much,
Especially for
Bhavnesh. So whoever
no
want to
problem.
get the full license, you can contact him and he will definitely help you.
Thank you so much.